In ULI, we do have a series of books that we use. This is the beginner's book. This is my copy, the teacher's copy. So the ULI program is all the components of learning a language: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Most students learn how to read and write. It's not a problem, but it's the speaking that is important, and the listening. So all the components here, we have the videos and we have the listening components. But because we do, myself personally, I emphasize the speaking. I do have extra speaking lessons. We have, of course, the title, the speaking, the grammar, the pronunciation, the writing, and then, of course, the interactive activities. And most of the English books that you have to learn English is what we call thematic, which is you take a topic such as, where do you live? And all the vocabulary and speaking, where do you live? What country are you from? What do you eat? Okay, so it's a theme of each chapter, and then you go through the chapter. What I like about this program is all the interactive activities with the student. So you're constantly practicing what you're speaking, which is really what you want to do. And also listening. We have the CD, or the tape where you're listening, which is excellent too. Depending on the level of students, beginners to advanced, of course the books are tailored to that, but each teacher will have slightly different supplemental information. So for beginners, I have beginners right now, things like this, bingo, where you're pronouncing different letters, different words, the practice of it, long vowels, short vowels, peculiar to the English language. One thing that's noticeable about English, it's phonetic. It's not tonal like Chinese, it's phonetic. So we really concentrate on this. And just something like this, the TH sound, which is peculiar to English. So we've done some conversation, we've done vocabulary, back and forth conversations. But now I'm going to supplement, because the TH sound, the TH sound in English, very important. I always do this. Okay, this is you. This is you. Okay, to make the TH sound, and this is air. This is air. To make this sound correctly, this is your tongue. As the air comes out, you make the sound and you pull it back like this. Can you say that? Pull the tongue back quickly. We really don't want to go, no, it's not like that. It's, your jaw must be open when you make this sound. So the air comes out, tongue like this, TH. When it is in the initial position, for example, think.
Think.
Three. Okay. When it's in the medial position, like this. Now remember, it's always exactly the same. Thanks. 3.
Thanks.
Birthday.
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 Mother.
Mother.
The most difficult one is what we call the final position.
With.
When it's in the final position, this is the medial, and this is the initial. It becomes a bit more difficult with.
With.
With. We don't want to say with. I can see what you're doing. You're going with, but it's not. It's always the same. With.
With.
Both.
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 We don't want to go, yeah, we don't want to do that. It's, remember the jaw is open, it's relaxed. Even native speakers must take this slowly. You can't do it quickly. Okay, so now we would work with the partner,
Mhm.
okay? For example, where's Thelma going to sit? Thelma's going to sit in the third row in the fourth seat. Okay, let me hear you two. So you can say Thelma, Seth, Judith, it doesn't matter. So I will walk around the class and I will listen to what you're saying. Okay, go ahead, I'm listening.
Okay.
Where's the Selma going to sit?
Yeah.
Selma's going to sit in the third row in the first seat.
Yeah, so you would work with a partner, you
So
two,
we'll
and then you
ask.
two. So you, for example,
Who is going to?
go ahead.
So, oh yeah.
You
so-
can say any friends here, right?
Yeah, okay, and then you answer, right?
Okay. So I'll ask you
Yeah.
the simple. Where is Seth Elizabeth going to sit?
Elizabeth
Third row
Where is
in the
Elizabeth?
fourth seat.
No.
Right?
That's right, so it's,
Yes, no.
Okay, then I found it.
Third row.
go ahead, I'm listening.
My
Elizabeth
turn.
Where's Elizabeth?
is going to sit in
Timothy
the
or Timothy?
Which one?
fourth row
So remember,
in
TH
the
is always the
sixth
same, it's like this.
seat.
Timothy.
Oh,
Timothy.
that's-
Remember
Yeah.
also,
Timothy.
in English, when
Where's-
you have a word, for example,
Yeah.
just a pronunciation.
West End.